Stop trying to learn English for a moment. Seriously, stop. Because the way you are practicing right now might be the exact reason you are not able to speak fluently. Most people follow random methods like watching videos, memorizing vocabulary, or thinking in their native language and translating. This feels productive, but it does not build real speaking ability. You may understand everything, yet still struggle to express simple ideas when speaking. Fluency is not about doing more things. It is about doing the right things consistently. When your practice has structure, your brain starts adapting in a much faster and more natural way. That is when real progress begins to happen. In this video, I will give you a simple daily routine that trains your brain to think, react, and speak in English without hesitation. If you follow this properly, you will start noticing real changes in your confidence and speaking ability. Stop passive learning. Start active speaking. Most learners spend a large part of their time consuming English. They watch videos, listen to podcasts, or read different types of content every day. This creates a strong sense of progress, but in reality, they are only improving their understanding, not their speaking ability. Understanding English and speaking English are completely different skills. When you only consume content, your brain learns to recognize words and sentences, but it does not learn how to create them. That is why you often feel stuck when you try to speak. This is the biggest reason why people say, "I understand English but I cannot speak it." The problem is not lack of knowledge. The problem is lack of speaking practice. Without active use, your brain never develops the ability to respond quickly. To break this pattern, you need to shift from passive learning to active speaking. Instead of only taking input, you must start producing output every single day. This simple shift changes how your brain processes language. Start with something very simple and relatable. Pick any topic from your daily life, such as your morning routine, your plans, or something that happened during your day. Familiar topics reduce pressure and make it easier to start speaking. Now speak about that topic out loud for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you are not speaking in your head. Speaking silently does not train your confidence or your speaking muscles. You need to hear yourself speak clearly. At the beginning, you will struggle to form sentences smoothly. You may pause, repeat words, or feel like you are not able to express your thoughts properly. This stage can feel frustrating, but it is an important part of the process. Many learners make the mistake of stopping here. They think they need more vocabulary or better grammar before they can speak well. This mindset slows down progress because speaking improves only through consistent speaking practice. When you continue this exercise daily, your brain starts adapting. It begins to form sentences faster without relying on your native language. You spend less time thinking and more time expressing your ideas naturally. Over time, your hesitation starts decreasing. Your confidence grows because your brain becomes familiar with the process of speaking. What once felt difficult slowly becomes easier and more automatic. This is the shift you need to focus on. Not from beginner to advanced, but from silent understanding to active expression. That is where real fluency begins. If you only consume English, you will remain a good listener. But if you actively speak every day, you will train yourself to become a confident speaker. This daily habit is the foundation of your entire routine. Build your speaking system. Now that you have started speaking daily, the next step is to bring structure into your practice. Speaking randomly can help at the beginning, but without a clear system, your progress will slow down over time. A routine gives your brain direction and makes your efforts more effective. Divide your practice into 3 simple parts. The first part is free speaking, where you talk about your day, your plans, or any familiar topic. This helps you build flow and reduces hesitation. It trains your brain to express ideas without stopping again and again. The second part is controlled speaking. Here, you pick a specific topic and speak in a more organized way. For example, you can describe a situation, explain something simple, or share your opinion. This step improves your ability to form clear and connected sentences. Controlled speaking is important because it pushes you to think while speaking. You are not just talking freely, you are structuring your thoughts. This is what makes your speech sound more confident and complete instead of broken or unclear. The third part is reflection. After you finish speaking, take a moment to think about your performance. Notice where you paused, where you felt stuck, or where you struggled to find words. This awareness helps your brain improve faster. You can also record yourself for better results. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes and then listen carefully. You will notice patterns like repeating words, unclear sentences, or lack of flow. These small observations help you improve your speaking step by step. At first, listening to your own voice may feel uncomfortable, but this step is very powerful. It gives you honest feedback and helps you understand how you actually sound. This makes your improvement more practical and real. Keep your routine simple and consistent. You do not need long hours of practice. Even 10 to 15 minutes daily is enough if you stay focused. Consistency matters more than doing everything at once. When you follow this system every day, your brain becomes more comfortable with speaking in English. You stop overthinking and start responding naturally. This is when your speaking starts feeling easier and more confident. Stop translating from your native language. This is one of the biggest hidden mistakes that slows down your speaking progress. Many learners think in their native language first and then try to convert it into English. This habit feels natural, but it creates delay and confusion while speaking. When you translate, your brain is doing extra work. First, it builds the idea in your native language, and then it searches for the English version. This process takes time and breaks your flow, which leads to hesitation and incomplete sentences. That is why you often feel stuck even when you know what you want to say. The issue is not your vocabulary or grammar. The real problem is the way your brain is processing language while you speak. To improve this, you need to train your brain to think directly in English. Start with simple thoughts instead of complex ideas. You do not need advanced words. You only need clarity and consistency in your practice. A practical way to do this is by describing your surroundings. Talk about what you see, what you are doing, or what you plan to do next. Keep your sentences short and clear so your brain can respond quickly without pressure. At the beginning, your mind will still try to go back to your native language. This is completely normal because it is a strong habit. Do not get frustrated. Just bring your focus back to English every time. Another helpful method is to limit your sentence length. Short sentences are easier to form and help you avoid overthinking. As you get more comfortable, these small sentences will naturally connect into longer ones. You can also use mental narration during your day. While doing simple activities like walking or working, describe your actions in English. This keeps your brain engaged and builds a continuous connection with the language. Recording yourself can also support this process. When you listen back, you will notice where you paused or switched to your native language. This awareness helps you improve your thinking pattern gradually. The goal is not to remove your native language completely. The goal is to reduce your dependence on it while speaking. As this habit improves, your speed, clarity, and confidence will also improve. When you stop translating and start thinking directly in English, your speaking becomes faster and more natural. This is the turning point where fluency starts feeling real instead of forced. Make speaking a daily habit, not a task. The final step is simple, but it is the most important. You need to turn speaking into a daily habit instead of treating it like a task you do occasionally. When something becomes a habit, you stop relying on motivation and start relying on consistency. Many learners practice for a few days with full energy, then stop when they feel busy or lose interest. This breaks the momentum, and each time they restart, they feel like they are starting from the beginning again. To avoid this, keep your routine small and realistic. You do not need 1 hour of practice every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of focused speaking is enough, if you do it consistently without skipping. Fix a specific time for your practice. It can be in the morning, evening, or any quiet moment in your day. When you attach your practice to a fixed time, it becomes easier to follow without thinking you much. Another powerful way to stay consistent is to connect speaking with your daily activities. For example, you can describe your routine, your plans, or your thoughts while doing simple tasks. This keeps your practice natural and effortless. Do not wait for the perfect mood or perfect environment. There will be days when you feel tired or distracted. On those days, just do a shorter version of your routine instead of skipping it completely. Consistency builds confidence over time. When you show up every day, your brain starts getting comfortable with speaking in English. You stop feeling nervous because speaking becomes a normal part of your day. You should also track your progress in a simple way. For example, you can record yourself once a week and compare it with your previous recordings. This helps you see how much you are improving. When you notice progress, your motivation increases naturally. You start enjoying the process instead of forcing yourself to practice. This is when learning becomes sustainable and long-lasting. Remember, fluency is not a one-time achievement. It is a result of daily habits built over time. Small efforts repeated every day create big changes in your speaking ability. If you follow this routine consistently, you will not just understand English better, you will start using it confidently in real situations. That is the real goal. Start this routine today and stay consistent. You do not need perfection. You need daily action. Keep speaking, keep improving, and your confidence will follow. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.